Rere thirikari iratwarithia na mbere ukinyaniria wa mutaratara mweru wa githomo gia CBC uria arutwo a mbere yaguo aria mari grade ya gatano maratanywo gutiriha githomo kia muthingi mwaka wa 2022 na kuingira junior secondary mwaka wa 2023. Ministry ya githomo ni hitukitie ati secondary ciothe bururi-ini no nginya igakorwo na mieke ya junior secondary.
Junior secondary school will be in secondary schools existing. There is no secondary school that will be in a primary school. And if the primary school has excess infrastructure that can be transformed into a junior secondary school, then the government is at liberty to establish a wing of junior secondary school with its own management, its own secondary school infrastructure.
Professor Chege athiete na mbere kuga ati ni makoretwo magithorima mathukuru ma secondary na ni mahotete kumenya mianya iria iri kuo na kiria kirabatarania mathukuru-ini maya niguo arutwo makahota kugacira.
We know what schools offer, what capacities the schools have for the various pathways, and we know now where the gaps are. And this will help and inform the government when it is supporting the pathways.
Kuringana na mutaratara wa CBC gikiro kia junior secondary ni kwa arutwo mabangirwo guteithĩrĩrio gukura na mwerekera uria mangienda kuya githomo-ini kiao magikinya senior secondary.
We have the social sciences, we have sports and arts, and we have the STEM pathway. There are children who have multiple intelligences. They are good at everything, but we are saying for the sake of this they should be allowed to take 2 pathways as a maximum.
Niguo gutigirira mutaratara uyu wa githomo ni wakinyanira na njira iria yagiriire kuma gikiro kia mbere kiria ni nathari nginyagia university. Professor Chege augite ni mambiriirie kurutithania wira na thirikari cia county na ma university. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritondekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.